Wix tutorial, how to create Wix wedding website step by step. Hi there, you guys. In this video, I will show you how you can search for templates about weddings here on Wix. Creating a website is pretty much similar when it no matter what kind of website you're creating. Yeah, here on Wix. The thing is that the creative aspect of creating a website is what's more important. So once you land here on Wix, you'll see lots of options like create website from scratch, create website using Wix ADI, create website with a template. Yes, there are really cool templates out there where you can immediately start using without having to pay for anything. But what I like to do is that look for templates and then just start from scratch on my own. Or if you don't have any much time, you can just change the photos on a template with your texts, and basically you're good to publish your website. But for a wedding website, I'm not sure, maybe you're a photographer or you sell dresses, or what else do you do at weddings? But basically, when you're targeting people who are getting married, you want them to see a website that's full of magic, right? That's what I like to call it. Or magical. But magical is really subjective and it depends on the style that you do or that you follow as an artist. But basically, put your shoes on the shoes of those visiting your websites. Um, Maybe a woman getting married. And if you really want customers, of course, you'll do lots of research about this. Because if you just follow along with your creative side, chances are, if the creativity that you are looking forward to like apply on your site might not work for some people. So be sure that before you make your website, try to research about those stuff. But essentially, for you to create your own wedding website, first is create a Wix account. It's easy. Once you go to wix.com, a pop-up window will appear here that'll ask you to log in using Google, if you're using Google. But if not, you can just customizably input your email, verify your email, and boom, you're in. Now, to create a new site, click this button right over here that says create a new site, and it will redirect us to the editor or the site editor, where we can now put in different elements, choose templates, work with our website, and have fun. Now, you can see here a search engine which basically is which basically shows you types of website. So I'm gonna go ahead and type in wedding. Now you can see here a couple of options: wedding planner, wedding save the date, wedding venue, wedding planning company, wedding shop. So it can either be any of this, but weddings all have one thing in common: white stuff, white dress, colorful dresses, and stuff like that. So we're gonna choose wedding shop, and I'm gonna pretend, or I'm gonna assume that my wedding shop is directed to women. So I'm gonna make it lovely, pretty, beautiful. Okay, now this is an essential part of Wix. It asks you what do you want, or what features do you want to be added in your site. It can either be chat, bookings, online store, Instagram feed, events, blog, pricing plans, forms. What else are here? We also have videos. If you want to put in music, you can do so. You can toggle this on. Online programs, forum, groups, table reservations, food orders, restaurants, restaurant menus. Now, for a wedding website, what do we really need, or what do we usually need? Of course, chat. Bookings is also essential. Online store for maybe dresses. Instagram feed for like maybe linking your Instagram account. Events as well. And what else? Blog. If you want to do blog as well, you can do this. Pricing plans, pretty cool. We also have forms, videos, music, definitely. Groups, table reservations. I'm not sure if we're going to need all of this stuff, but basically I just chose 4, including the 4 here on top. So we have 8 features, and let's go ahead if we can find that on our website right after we click next. Okay, we're done. Let's click next. I've created a few. Alright, now guys, skip this part because you want to have fun and make your own website, right? So let's choose a template. Okay. Now as you can see here, it shows us all of the templates that we have about the keyword that we've entered, wedding shop, right? So we have here bridal shop, wedding invitation, wedding planner, invitations, planned store. Invitation will do, but we set up for a shop, right? So I'm gonna hit this one, bridal shop, and if you want to edit it, just click edit, and if you want to view the template, just click on view. But yeah, let me guys show you how the editor on Wix looks like. Okay, the editor on Wix is the most famous editor when it comes to dragging and dropping, because compared to other website builders out there, it gives you a lot more of customizability or creative freedom when it comes to putting elements on your site. But the real problem here on Wix is that it takes a long time to respond. It's decent enough though, but Google is really particular about, how long a website responds. Now it's adding all of the tools that we ticked on a while ago. It's doing the coding for you. Okay. So right now we have the bridal website. This one is the store because essentially we've ticked on the store feature. We can just drag this down and create a new page. So to do that, just hit on add elements. You can add in text, image, button, strip, decorative, box, gallery. But yeah, basically you just want to extend this. Okay, I just want to add in section here. Okay, is it going to be a welcome, about, subscribers? I'm going to choose promotion. Or maybe I can just drag this down right over here. Can I drag it? Yeah, basically I can. I can just make it longer so that the store has a room for itself. So now this is our store. You want it to be down here because you want people to take a look at your works first, right? There you go. All right. So then this will be the spot for your photos, your works, your videos, and a little spot for text. As you can see, guys, you really have the freedom to put any element on any part of your site. So it's not going to be a problem at all. So yes, the rest is up to you. So go ahead and try to explore Wix. Drag and drop anything that you want on your site, but make sure to make it look presentable and of course not overwhelmed with a lot of stuff. But that's it for this video, guys. I will miss every one of you. That's it for this video. See you again on the next one. Peace out.